Hey, you might have heard about this word Python, but don't know what is it. I will help you to understand what Python is. Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Python has become one of the most popular programming language worldwide, used in a wide range of applications including website development, data analysis, AI, automation and many more. So, welcome to CloudNet Academy. My name is Inaya and I brought the detailed course of Python for kids. I have prepared this course with the basics. I will introduce fundamental programming concepts such as variables, data types, loops, conditionals, functions, and basic input-output operations. It provides you of simple, interactive examples to understand the concept. I have also used visual and interactive tools that provide visual programming environments for coding concepts. Python coding for kids is more important than ever. Technology has become a part of our everyday lives. Python coding tells a machine which actions to perform and how to complete tasks. Programming languages provide the rules for building websites, apps, and other computer-based technologies. Millions of students are looking to learn something new and excited about coding, but they don't know what is coding and what is perfect age to start. How much time would you need to learn it? Don't worry, I will tell you. Experts believe that youngsters should learn code at a young stage of development. Children should begin studying coding languages while they are between the ages of 5 and 7. So, I have developed the course which is Python for Kids, and it is designed in a very simple manner. I will guarantee you that my course will help you to build the coding skills. So, don't wait. Let's join and register this course, and I will see you in the Python journey.